In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the Squarespace login link. If you want to change the appearance or behavior of the login link on your Squarespace site, the easiest way to do it is through custom CSS. This gives you more control over styling, and it's a useful option when the default settings don't match the look you want for your site. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can make that change smoothly. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the main site settings area. From there, click on Website. This is where you'll find the core options related to your site's structure, design, and content management. Once you're in the website section, click on Pages. This area is where Squarespace organizes the content and navigation for your site, but it also gives you access to additional customization tools connected to the website setup. After that, look for Custom Code and click on it. This section is important because it lets you go beyond the built-in design controls. If you need a more specific customization, especially for something like a login link, this is usually the right place to work from. Inside Custom Code, click on Custom CSS. This opens the CSS editor, which is where you can add styling rules that affect how elements appear on your site. If you're not familiar with CSS, don't worry. You don't need to build anything from scratch here if you already have the code prepared. You're simply placing the code into the correct section so Squarespace can apply it. Now paste the code into the custom CSS editor. Make sure you paste it carefully and exactly as intended, since even a small formatting issue can affect how the customization works. Once the code is in place, Squarespace will usually preview the changes right away, which makes it easier to confirm that your login link looks the way you want. If the update doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the page or checking your site preview. It's also a good idea to test the login link on both desktop and mobile views, just to make sure the styling works consistently across devices. And that's it. By going to Website, then Pages, then Custom Code, and finally Custom CSS, you can quickly customize the Squarespace login link using your code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.